Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Factor 75, a meal delivery service that sends ready-made meals right to your door. So if you want to learn more about Factor 75 and want to save some money in the process, then welcome, you've come to the right place. If you check out the affiliate link in the description down below, you'll get a 50% discount on your first Factor box. And by the way, you won't be able to find any of these discounts if you go directly to their website. So make sure to check it out. Okay, so the way it works is that if you start with 6 meals per week, the average box price is $84, which comes out to about $14 per serving. But if you use the link, which I left in the description, your first box will only cost you around $42, which comes down to about $7 per serving. Now, if you choose to go with 18 meals per week, this plan would normally cost you around $207, but with our discount link, your first box will be around $103. Now, Factor 75 is one of my top choices for meal delivery services. Using them, I've had a very positive experience and have enjoyed many delicious and fulfilling meals. Now, one of the most significant benefits of using Factor 75 is the convenience it offers. They deliver pre-cooked meals directly to your doorstep, eliminating the need for time-consuming grocery shopping, meal planning, and cooking. Also, each meal is pre-portioned and comes with easy-to-follow heating instructions, making it easy to enjoy a healthy and delicious meal in just a few minutes. On top of their convenience, Factor 75 sources high-quality, organic, and sustainably raised ingredients to create flavorful and healthy meals, setting it apart from other services that may put convenience over nutrition. They work with a network of small-scale farmers and producers to source their ingredients, ensuring that they are high quality and sustainably produced. Additionally, Factor 75 uses eco-friendly packaging materials to minimize their environmental impact, making them a great choice for those who are environmentally conscious. Also, Factor 75 boasts a pretty generous menu. They offer a wide selection of meals, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner options, as well as snacks and desserts. Plus, each meal is created by professional chefs who use their skill and high-quality ingredients to make sure the food is both delicious and nutritious. Now, the main feature that sets Factor 75 apart from other meal delivery services is their focus on nutrition. The company's meals are designed to be nutrient-dense, which means they contain a high amount of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients per calorie. Not to mention, Factor 75's meals are tailored to specific dietary needs like paleo, keto, and low-carb diets, making it easier to follow a healthy meal plan that fits your diet. Now, Factor 75 can be a bit on the pricey side, but this is to be expected given the high-quality ingredients used in the meals and the convenience of having pre-made meals delivered to your door. The company offers several pricing plans depending on the number of meals and servings you choose. So it's important to remember that Factor 75 is offering a healthy and convenient alternative to traditional takeout or home-cooked meals. All in all, Factor 75 is a great option for individuals who are looking for a convenient and healthy meal delivery service. Their focus on nutrition, sustainability, and high-quality ingredients sets them apart from other meal delivery services on the market. Despite the price tag, the convenience and quality of the meals make it a worthwhile investment for individuals who are short on time and prioritize their health and well-being. And that's it for today. If you liked today's video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss an upload. Also, make sure to check out the description down below where you'll find a link to the discount as well as an in-depth review of Factor 75. And if you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.